Hi everyone, my name is Lisa and welcome to today's video. I am very excited because I finally received my Huda Beauty mystery bag. It probably took around 3 weeks to arrive. I got some notes in front of me, just some information. I received this package yesterday evening and it's been a pain in the ass not to be able to open it because I wanted to get my first impressions for you. What's actually inside of it. The large mystery box is $89, or if you're from Europe like me, it is 62 euros. I ordered the large one, which includes 7 items, but the tote bag that comes with it is also one of the items, so there are 6 items in it. Oh yeah, by the way, the price in euros, the 62 euros, is without sales tax, because I also had to pay around 15 euros for sales tax, so I paid around 75 euros in total, because shipping was free, which is nice. We're going to finally open the box. A disclaimer: if you receive the package, because mine came in a bigger bag, the receipt was in there, but on the receipt their products are all mentioned. So just a disclaimer, if you don't want to get spoiled, or if you don't want to know what's in the box, this is the box. So we're going to open it. Beauty is on the inside. I'm not sure if the bag is, if it's actually in the bag. It feels quite heavy. So here is the bag. And it is empty. So here is the bag with the products inside. I hope it are products that I don't own. I don't own many products by Huda Beauty. I only have the Soap's Obsessions palette, the Desert Dust palette, and 2 lip products. So that's exciting, especially if you don't own a lot of products by Huda. I'm like putting my hand in and see what's inside. Is it all in one bundle? I think everything is wrapped. Everything is in bubble plastic, by the way. Oh, here I go. I'm inside of it. I'm just going to, I already feel something, and that is the Huda Beauty Matte Perfection Pre-Makeup Base. As you know, if you watch my previous video, I tell you about how I keep my makeup as matte as possible for the summer because I have very oily skin. So this comes in very handy. I'm not sure if everyone received the same products or everyone received different products. I can understand if you have dry skin, this doesn't really come out of use. So the next item, it feels like a big palette I'm holding, but I already also got a Huda Beauty Demi Matte lipstick in Shaika. It's a demi matte one. It looks very pretty, like every, well, not every day, it's a bit darker for every day, at least for my skin tone. I will swatch it for you. That's like a nice, more mauvey color. If there's a big palette in there, I hope it's not Desert Dust because I already own that. I will also swatch the primer for you. That looks very funny, but it says shake up well before you use it. So we're just going to shake. Pretty thick. I thought it was going to be liquid when it came out of it. Oh, it feels very liquid. It looks pretty matte on my hand. It smells like a baby product. It doesn't really smell like sweat salt, but it kind of does. It smells like a baby. I don't know if that's the right explanation, but I think it smells like a baby. So the next item is the Ruby Obsessions palette. I thought on pictures online when I saw this palette, I thought it was more red than pink, but it actually looks more pink. Oh, they're pretty. They're all like more pinky, reddish, purpley shades. Ooh. So that is the third item. Let's continue to the next item. Feels like another palette, and this is the Huda Obsessions Huda Beauty Emerald Obsessions. So this is the Ruby or Emerald Obsessions. So that is item number 4. So we have 2 items left. This is another lip product, and this is the Huda Beauty Baby Matte Catwalk Killer. And this is the shade. It's more a purple. This one is Catwalk Killer. It's definitely more purple. And we have 1 item left, and it feels like a big palette. So I hope it's not the Desert Dusk palette. I really hope it's the Retro Renegades palette, but I am not sure. And it is the Desert Dusk palette. But here it is. Of course, this palette is very beautiful. As you can see, but I already own this. So I am probably going to give this away to a friend. And that was the last item, because everything is empty. So what we got is the primer, the Desert Dusk palette. We got 2 lip items, both are Demi Matte, and we have 2 of the Obsessions palettes. I am a bit disappointed because I expected a bit more variety, because they put 2 of the Obsessions palette in and they put 2 of the Demi Matte lipsticks in. So that's a bit of a bummer. I'm so excited to play with these. I did got 5 new products that I don't own, but I think they put more of their not so best selling products in here. That completes the unboxing of the Huda Beauty large mystery bag. Let me know down below if you ordered a mystery bag and if you got the same products or different products, and if you were excited or also a bit disappointed like me. And if you like this video, you can give this video a thumbs up. And if you don't want to miss more of my videos, you can subscribe to my channel. And I will see you next week. Bye! Just something else I have to say. I have to say with the value, I think with the Desert Dusk palette, you already got most of your value out of this bag. So that's a good thing. So that was the only thing I had to say.